See you in 10 days, honey. Bye. It's 7:30 in the morning and Christy's dropped me off at Winchester Bay where I caught the ferry across and met her day before yesterday. And now we're getting started back on trail, which is rode for a bit and then a long beach walk. And we were reasonable and just planned a 16-mile day today to a little tiny state park campground. So, anyway, once we get to the beach, we should be in for most of a day of beach walking and one tidal crossing, which may be interesting. We'll have to see what it looks like. Across the river is where we walk the jetty to get down to the ferry pickup. Mine are the only tracks coming down between the two dunes and out to the beach this morning. All alone with the ocean. You can see how big some of these dunes are. They got forests on the top of them, but for millennia the beach has been stacking up sand. Following these tracks, look like they're not ultras, there might be topos, big feet, and they're using hiking poles. So I think there's another hiker ahead of me because these have been made since the last high tide. Interesting, maybe I'll meet somebody. That was pretty cool. A couple Ospreys in a row just flew over me. Close enough and with good enough light, no fog to get a good set of videos. That was nice. Well, other than a couple of dog walkers, I haven't seen anybody on the beach this morning. Bald eagle just sat there while I walked by him. He had very little concern. It's a beautiful day out here. Easy walking on this compacted sand. Our crossing, you can see the tide trying to come in. That's what you're trying to stay ahead of. So get shoes off and across. The crossing was basically high calf, not bad at all. For the record, this crossing was a 1.7 foot tide at 10 after 11 in the morning. I'll make sure and post that so people know it's not so bad. It seems to hit some kind of threshold because now it's really coming up the channel until it's flowing backwards. So I think I got here just at the right time. Just before 2 o'clock and we've taken a break here on this lovely large log. And now we've got about 3.5 miles to the campsite, so we're doing really well today. I looked at the map again, and we actually were doing 18 miles today, so we'll do 18 miles, easily by 4 o'clock or so, maybe even earlier. It's been beautiful and sunny in this section of the beach. The ATVs have been tearing it up, so as soon as you get off the wet sand, you can't walk in the torn up sand, and then tide's coming in, so occasionally you got to run up the shore to avoid some incoming water. But it's been an adventure, and it's been beautiful. So just a little bit more to go. It's good to be out of that last couple of miles of loose sand. It was the struggle is real, but that's part of beach walking. So they're putting in a new gate, and as I came into the park, it scared me. I thought maybe it was closed, there was some kind of emergency, but no, just a new gate. Just the Forest Service making things better for us. Okay. Site number 9 is the one we have reserved. We just got to figure it out. All right, here's site 9. Yeah, cozy. Might even be able to get out of the sun for a while. Okay, beautiful. It's 4 o'clock and the Serenity Shuttle has landed at the Bluebill Campground. Trail mile 271.4 for an 18-mile day. Got it all done by 20 after 3 and then got the tent set up. The last couple miles were rough with the soft sand that was slanted, and my left calf needs to recover. It was struggling on the uphill side of that slant to maintain. But we got to this little campground. It worked out great. Got a great place for my tent in the shade, and be rested and ready for tomorrow. It's a little breezy, but we can deal with that. Thanks for hiking with me, and remember, doing the impossible, that makes us mighty. There's a Stellar Jay trying to sneak up and steal my food.